Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the beginning of a new vlog. My hair is a mess. I'm not wearing makeup, but I'm playing dress up anyway because I ordered some flats from Torrid. I've always absolutely hated flats with a passion. I remember being in middle school and everybody wearing them, and anytime that I tried a pair on, I absolutely hated them. And still to this day, before like 20 minutes ago, I still hated them. But I ordered some from Torrid because if I do get the job, I am going to be needing them because I need to wear like some type of dress shoes, and it ain't gonna be heels, I'll tell you that. So I wanted to give them a try, so I got two pairs here, and Torrid was having a sale on shoes, 25% off or something, so they were having a sale on them, and both of these are in a size 8. Of course they're wide because that's how Torrid shoes are. And got this pair. This has this little mesh detail that I think is super cute, and then this one has no mesh detail but a very pointy toe, unlike this one. See, they both look pointy, but this one is by far more pointy. And so I was trying them on, and then I started putting them with dresses because I got a little carried away. So I'm wearing my, what's this called? American Horror Story dress. And I put them on with these flats right here, and I absolutely love how it looks. And so I think I just opened a whole new door to new types of shoes, because I've never been into flats, but now, after wearing these around the house for like half an hour, I am a fan. I like these ones a little bit more than these ones. I thought I would like this more because of the little peekaboo, but I really like the like extremely pointy toe versus this. This just makes my foot look like more slender. You know what I mean? Because I have white feet. White? No. Well, they are pretty pale compared to the rest of my body, but I have really wide feet, and so having a very pointy toe makes them look a little bit better than having a slightly pointy, kind of more rounded toe. You know what I mean? So I really like them, actually. I love how they're looking with dresses. I'm not giving up on sneakers, I promise. Sneakers are still my life, but I really like flats right now. So I'm not gonna go crazy buying more because I don't feel like I need that many, but I don't know. I'm curious. I think I'm gonna be looking into some flats a little bit more often. But yeah. Oh, I'm gonna make some avocado brownies because we have a ton of avocados because Ernie got them on sale. They were like 10 for 10, which was crazy. So I just loaded up on avocados, but since he's been like going to work and everything, we really haven't had time to eat them, you know what I mean? And he refuses to take food, so I can't like make him a sandwich and put avocado in it so he can take it with him. I got him to take food, well, 2 days, but the first day he was not able to eat it because they didn't even give him a lunch break. And then the second day, the second time he took food, he finally got to eat. So yeah. But I'm gonna make some avocado brownies. I've never made them before, so I'm really excited to give them a try. Walking back and forth in my room. Obviously I can go elsewhere. Hello, me in the mirror. Really got a tan. My legs are very white compared to the rest of me. Alright, I finished making the avocado brownies. And I actually made 2 pans because that's how many avocados we had. These came out so good. Like, let me pop them out. Pop one out for you guys. Yeah. Let's see. You see the texture is very fudgy. It's kind of more like fudge than a brownie, and I really don't mind that. I think it could be sweeter, but my mother-in-law says that she likes it this way, and I really like it. It came out really good. I didn't film it because I was like so focused on getting it right because I never made it before, but I will link the recipe that I used down below just in case you want to give it a try. I would suggest if you like it to be like really sweet, then maybe use more sugar or just more chocolate, but really good. It's really good. Like, it doesn't feel too heavy, and I like it a whole lot. Oh! Oh! spices!
You didn't expect that, did you?
I did not.
Well, I'm glad I got you there. Caught you off guard, didn't I?
That was terrifying.
Sorry.
Anyway, hey guys. It's the next day, actually. Oh, now I don't look orange. Yay! Hold on. I might look orange again. Kind of orange. Not all the way. So, Ernie and I did the whatchamacallit challenge. What's it called? The spicy noodle channel. Oh god. We did the spicy noodle challenge. It was terrible. I think it was worse for him than it was for me. And my neighbor's outside. Hold on. They must think I'm cray. Just a little. Oh yeah, we did the spicy noodle challenge and it was pretty bad. But it was worse for Ernie than it was for me though. But I was suffering a lot. So that's saying a lot because I love spicy food. Ernie can put up with spicy food and we were both having a really hard time. So yeah. Eventually he did lose. But he said, oh, I just don't want you to suffer anymore. Like, now you lose. You lose. No, just kidding. He really just didn't want me to suffer. Anyways, yeah, I gotta charge this stuff up. So talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it's Monday at, what time is it? It's like 12 something. 12:09. And Ernie and I and Ernie's mom just got back from Walgreens. We just had to pick up a few things and then pick up some things that we don't need. So I figured I'd show you guys a little haul. I really didn't feel like taking the camera with me. I don't know. I just feel tired. I don't feel like I should be feeling so tired, but I do. So I got another hair dye because I want to have one on hand just in case I need to freshen up the color. I don't have any red shampoo and conditioner yet, so I need to get that. Oh, we got some toothbrushes because we had a coupon. So yeah, we have that. And body wash, I got 2 from Dove. There's the Deep Moisture one, and then this one is the Go Fresh Rejuvenate body wash with pear and aloe vera. Funny thing that happened when I was at Walgreens. So I was over there sniffing all of these, and I was sniffing the sensitive skin one, and for some reason they were all like really close to the top. And usually what I do is I put it here and I squeeze it just slightly so that the air comes out and I can like sniff the stuff that's inside. And so bad. The one that I was smelling, I squeezed it and it like popped out and hit me in the face. it was so bad. It was really ugly, so I wiped it all off. And it's soap. I didn't want to wipe it on my clothes because I'm wearing my Adidas sweatshirt. So I just wiped it on my hands, and now my hands feel really sticky and I gotta wash them. At least I already have soap on them, so that's good. I got this little thing right here. It's a honey and citron tea mix kind of thing, and I have the honey and ginger one, or is it ginger and lemon? I don't remember. Or maybe honey, ginger, and lemon. I have no idea anymore. But I'm excited for this because I really, really like these. These are so good. And I have this right here. It's the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. I got this one in the shade Champagne. There were 3 shades, but they only had 2 at Walgreens though. It was this one and the Rose Gold, and the Rose Gold was like way too pink for me. So I'm really excited to give this a try. I'll use it in a Get Ready With Me. I first saw this on Ulta.com like the day that it was released, and they were trying to charge $30 for it, or $50 or $60. I don't know. I don't remember how much it was. And then I think it was like a glitch or something on their website, because the next time I looked it was down to like 12 something. So I don't know. But I'm really excited to give this a try because I've been wanting to try this for a while. Yeah. Oh, and we got an Aleve because people will be getting headaches. That's everything we got from Walgreens. Look at him. He's like a vampire that won't come in unless he's invited. Aren't you? Oh. Hello. You want to come in? Come on in. No. Are you sure? I'll just leave this here if you want to come in. Okay? Oh, there you are. Finally. Where are you going? What you doing? What are you doing? Calm down. Okay. It's okay. I don't think I ever showed you guys the scratches on the outside of my door. This is all from Mr. Orange, scratching at the door at night. See all this paint that's missing? That's all because of him. Look at your guilty face. Oh yeah, yeah. Look down in shame for that. Sorry for the background noise if you hear it. I'm sure you definitely hear it. My mother-in-law is vacuuming. Forgot the word for that. But yeah, as you can see behind me, all my Funko Pops are gone. Where did they go? Oh, I also did my nails. Hey. But they're all gone. But now they're all over here. So, yeah, there's a lot. A whole lot. I'm planning on making a shelf that goes from there all the way to there. And I don't know if we can do like one over here and like a tiny little one over there. Maybe just, I'm not sure, but for sure the whole one going across here. But if we're going to have shelves coming off this way, it needs to have that little angle. You know how there's like an angle cut when shelves are touching a corner? You know what I mean? So we're gonna need to plan for that if that's what we want to do. But yeah, one really long shelf. I need to find the studs in this wall. There should be, I think there's supposed to be one every 14 inches. But we really need to stop collecting these guys because they are taking over. I gotta wash my face. I'm gonna film some stuff today. I don't know what I'm going to film. I don't know what the hell I just did with my hair. But yeah, I really haven't been filming at all this week. I feel like sometimes I have a good week of vlogging where I will literally vlog everything. And then I have those weeks of vlogging where I don't even pick up the camera. So, yeah. Last week, I vlogged everything. And then this week, I've barely vlogged at all. So I think next week is going to be a good vlog week. This week, not so good. But it's okay. It'll be alright. I think all you guys can see right now is my hand. So hopefully that's interesting enough for you. Yay! Spirit fingers. Jazz hands? Spirit fingers. What the hell is wrong with me? Oh, okay. So, this was me following my first ever makeup tutorial. I just did it, and I didn't do it like exactly like I did in the video. What I did was, I tried to follow the instructions as much as I could, but I wasn't very informative in that. And so I just did as I would do now, and really it's just a technique that's slightly different for how I do it for myself. I think I have a lighter hand than I used to. I used to just be like, makeup! I just have a lighter hand now. Watching my first video ever was just like so weird because everything is so different. Like it's so odd. And I talked really weird too. Because even doing a voiceover, I sounded really weird, and when I was actually talking to the camera, I sounded really weird. So if you guys want to like watch it and have a good laugh, I'll link it down below because it's so weird and it's a little cringy. I'm probably more cringy now and just don't know it, but it was really cringy for me to watch because I was like, what's going on? Why are you acting this way? So I don't know. It was very weird. I was extremely nervous. It was my first video ever. My first ever video was a spring makeup tutorial, and that's what I followed. And honestly, it looks a lot better right now than it did back then, because back then it looked bad. It looked really bad. So yeah, I have to let my camera charge, and I'm going to wash off this face and do the no mirror makeup challenge because I think it'll be fun to do. Hey guys, it's really late, but I just realized that I totally forgot to end the vlog.
Oh really?
Yeah, I didn't end it.
Oh, babe, I'm sorry.
Oh no, it's okay. The last time I talked to you guys was sometime yesterday. I think it was after I did the makeup video. But anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I know there wasn't much going on, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. You wanna say bye, babe?
Bye, babe.
Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.